Hello friends, today we are going to check on how we can be able to bypass this Microsoft thing, and let's try. The first thing is to click or to press Shift F10. You get this the CMD, and then we write this command: start ms-cxh full colon local only. Then you enter. You're going to get this. Then they create a user for this PC, and here we can create the name, let's say test, then we can click next. Automatically it will restart itself, and let's wait whether we can be able to bypass this Microsoft authentication thing. Let's click next, and that's it. Here you'll be able to bypass the Microsoft. So if you are there and you have any issue concerning that one, you can comment down, and I can be able to assist you. So thank you for watching this video.